Hi, Dr. Mo here, Director of Waters Edge Chiropractic. A question I commonly get asked is what's the clicking and popping sounds with your chiropractic care? Great question. The answer, in my understanding, is the sounds are normal body sounds, just like burps and just like farts. And in fact, the sounds when you hear clicking and popping with your spine, with your chiropractic care, is the sound of little gases in and around the joints, just like burps and farts. So in fact, if I could offer a different perspective, one of the best ways to know is my body working good, are things going okay, is to check, can I move all the way to one side? Is that exactly the same as I can move all the way to the other side? Is the movement even? And is the movement nice and free? And that's a more accurate way to know how my spine's working and to look at the clicking and popping sounds, because everyone's bodies are different and some people are noisier or quieter, and some people make different sounds as they progress through different levels of their chiropractic care. Hope that was helpful. Hope that answers that question. Thanks guys, Dr. Mo here.
If this was valuable for you, please share this message with your friends, family, and any other strangers you think could use a good health update.